going to the mall and getting pretzels, but I found a delicious recipe on Sally's Baking Addiction. The original link to the recipe is in the description below. Join me in making my first batch of homemade pretzels. If you have a stand-up mixer, use the dough hook attachment, like me. If not, use a wooden spoon. Add half of the mixture slowly. You're going to need the other half of the flour later. This part is sped up, but mix the flour and the yeast mixture on the slowest setting. Now, gradually add the rest of the flour. With your spatula, push down the flour so the mixture gets mixed in evenly. Your dough should start to pull away from your bowl and stick to your hook. When it does that and it doesn't stick to your fingers, you know it's ready. Flour surface and your hands to prevent the dough from sticking. Once your dough is on your floured surface, knead for 3 minutes. Now, put a dish towel over the dough and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now that your dough is resting, make a baking soda bath with 9 cups of water and baking soda. While you're waiting for your water to boil, line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper and spray with olive oil. Back to your dough, and with a pizza cutter or sharp knife, cut the dough into 12 even slices. Now what you're going to do is with each even piece, roll it into about 20 to 22 inches. Make sure to press hard and roll. Now, you're going to take it and put it over and twist it and bring it down. This will form a pretzel-like shape. Your slotted spoon, put your pretzels into the boiling baking soda bath. Put no more than 3 at a time. After you've left them for 20 to 30 seconds, put them on to your other baking sheet. Salt your pretzels. Now put them in the oven to 400 degrees. After they're done, they should look like this. Now they're ready to eat. What I like to do is take your pretzel and dip it in the butter. You can also dip it in cheese too, but this is my preference. Hope you enjoyed baking with me. Bye!